vlog too.
Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel.
What gear do I put it in? D1?
Thanks for rudely
D4?
interrupting my my intro, Clay Wong. That is on D4 now. Anyways guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Clay Wong. If you guys don't know him, today we are actually doing something awesomely exciting. Like, I am like riveted. I am so on top of the mood. We are going to Winton Raceway to do some drifting. Like, words can't explain how excited I am.
Sick.
As you can tell, we are on our way, so we're in the middle of probably about Melbourne and... How far out are we? We're probably about 100 k's out already. We've been driving for about an hour. Clay's now taken over the driving, so now I can actually make my video. But we're gonna be drifting some of the finest 86s out there. They are turbocharged. Sorry, supercharged. Supercharged. And it is gonna be absolutely epic. I'm really scared as well. I've never done this before. But hey. What are your thoughts today, Clay Wong?
I'm so excited to learn how to drift. It's been a huge dream of mine, and I've been putting it off. But I've decided that I wanted to buy a drift car now, so I just built my EG K20 Civic. I decided I've had enough of front-wheel drive. I'm looking to get something a little bit more fun and twisty. So drifting is the next thing for me, and I just made a vlog about it here, so go check it out if you haven't seen it. AJ,
what the fuck? It's my channel.
So AJ, we're going to list that up here. I'm trying to work out this cruise control system. So we're cruising at about 100 here. Maybe if I press set, that'll work.
Woo! So we just stopped by Macca's. I'm finally able to get a massive feed through. I got this burger for $5. It was actually a small meal with fries and a drink. McFeast meal, $5. Guys, get on it. Best thing ever. Oh yeah. Look at that. So good. That is good. Oh my god. I should just make an ASMR channel instead. The beef is so tender and the mayo is so creamy, so it's just like an explosion in my mouth.
You're doing the figure eight, like as you're coming up to this one, you want to be looking at that one. So you're going to be looking at that one the whole way around. Pretty much once you've got past the apex and you want to head towards the next one, so around here you want to be looking at that one. It's just alternating, like one to the other.
How do you connect?
A lot of people, they make the mistake of they'll come around and then they'll try and transition way too early.
Right.
So it just sucks them onto the cone like that. You'll see it all the time.
Yeah, I saw
so
that.
they'll be coming around like that, transition way too early, and it just sucks them straight onto the cone. You want to hold that first slide way longer than you think. So you'll be coming around, you want to hold that slide, hold.
Oh, that's a
Transition way. So it's not like a figure eight like this with a straight bit in the middle. It's like this.
Oh, so you want to keep a wide kind of thing then?
Yeah, you want to stay, wide. Yeah, that's right. So you want to hold that slide a lot longer than you think. Transition way later. Yep. And generally, like if I'm going this way, like sliding right, I do a bit of right hand turn before I transition. So if you hold it down here, you'll be just before you transition, you'll go right, left. After your transition, flick it, yeah. So you do a bit of turn into the slide. If we're sliding right, we'll be turning right a little bit. Yeah. And then when we turn left, we'll be off the throttle. That's going to flick the car when you come off the throttle, and then you counter steer. So there'll be a little set like portion of time here where you'll be sliding around here. You'll go right, left, off the throttle. Yeah. That's going to pivot the car. Then there'll be a tiny portion where you're pretty much doing nothing. That's my favourite part of drifting, the part where you're literally doing nothing. And then you'll be back on the throttle to get around.
Ah, nice.
Make sense?
Makes perfect sense.
Oh.
Anyways, guys, that was a really crazy experience. Drifting was pretty insane. It's pretty hard as well. There was a lot of times that I stuffed up. Unfortunately, that's all I got in terms of footage. There was some inside the car, however, I wasn't able to collect it. And it was just overall like a really exciting thing to do. I guess it's probably better to keep it on the track. I wish I had my own drift car now so I could practice. But realistically, I'm not going to be drifting the S15, especially because it's that clean. Yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, give it that thumbs up, because the sport goes a long way, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, fam.